Stop! Before you buy another can of coconut milk, turn it around. Because two cans sitting right next to each other can look almost identical on the front. Fresh coconuts, creamy white milk, words like organic, premium, authentic, or all natural. But flip those cans over and suddenly you may be looking at two completely different products. One might contain little more than coconut and water. The other might contain coconut, water, gums, emulsifiers, preservatives, and stabilizers. And here's something most shoppers never realize. The thickest coconut milk is not necessarily the coconut milk with the most coconut. Sometimes that rich texture comes naturally from coconut fat. Other times manufacturers use gums and emulsifiers to keep the product smooth, thick, and consistent. Now that does not automatically make those ingredients dangerous. But if you're buying coconut milk because you want something simple, rich, and close to traditional coconut milk, wouldn't you want to know what you're actually paying for? Today we're looking at 8 popular coconut milk products I would think twice about if a simple ingredient list is important to you. Then we're revealing 4 options that do a much better job of keeping things simple. And stay until the end because I'm giving you a ridiculously easy label trick that can help you compare almost any coconut milk in about 10 seconds. Once you learn it, you'll probably never shop for coconut milk the same way again. Let's start. And before we continue, subscribe to The Food Expose if you like seeing what's actually behind the packaging instead of just trusting the picture on the front. Number 1. Thai Kitchen Unsweetened Coconut Milk. You've probably seen this one everywhere. Thai Kitchen is one of those brands that almost feels automatic. You need coconut milk? Grab Thai Kitchen. And at first glance, the ingredient list isn't outrageous. You'll typically see coconut, water, and guar gum. So what exactly is guar gum? It's a thickener and stabilizer. And coconut milk naturally wants to separate because coconut fat and water do not stay perfectly mixed forever. Guar gum helps keep the texture more consistent. That doesn't mean the product is suddenly toxic. Personally, if everything else is similar, I'm going with the simpler option. And here's another thing. Shoppers sometimes get wrong. You open a can of coconut milk and see thick cream sitting at the top with watery liquid underneath. You might think, oh no, this has gone bad. Not necessarily. Natural separation can be completely normal. Shake it, stir it, or warm it gently and it comes back together. So don't assume perfectly smooth coconut milk is automatically higher quality. Consumer verdict? Thai Kitchen is still real coconut milk. But if your priority is the shortest possible ingredient list, there are simpler choices. Number 2. Cowco Coconut Milk. This is a huge name, especially if you cook Thai or Southeast Asian food. And compared with some watery coconut beverages, Cowco is generally much richer. But look closely at the label and you may find something called sodium metabisulfite. That's a sulfiting agent used as a preservative. Now I want to be very clear here. Sulfites are not automatically dangerous to everybody. But certain people, particularly people who are sulfite sensitive, can react to them. The better question is whether you want an added sulfite preservative in your coconut milk when other products can be made without one. And there's another lesson here. Don't judge coconut milk based only on how short the ingredient list is. Pay attention to fat too. If you're making curry, soup, or dessert, coconut fat is what helps create that rich, luxurious texture. A very low-fat coconut milk may technically have fewer ingredients but still give disappointing results. So we're looking at the full picture. Ingredients: fat, purpose. Consumer verdict: Cowco can be rich and useful for cooking, but shoppers avoiding sulfites may want another option. Number 3. Goya Coconut Milk. Goya is another brand that seems to be everywhere. And interestingly, Goya coconut milk may appeal to people who specifically want to avoid gums and thickeners. But flip the can around. You may still find potassium metabisulfite used as a preservative. So now you have a trade-off: no gum, but a sulfite preservative. And this is exactly why those videos saying one ingredient automatically makes a food good or bad can be misleading. Different shoppers care about different things. You have to know what matters to you. Consumer verdict? Not necessarily a bad product, but if you want coconut and water only, keep looking. Number 4. 365 Coconut Milk Beverage. This is where people make one of the biggest mistakes in the entire coconut milk aisle. A carton of coconut milk beverage is not the same thing as full-fat canned coconut milk. I know, they both say coconut milk, but they are made for completely different jobs. Carton coconut beverages are designed more like dairy alternatives, something you put over cereal, add to smoothies, pour into coffee, or drink by the glass. They normally contain much more water and far less coconut fat than canned coconut milk used for cooking. That does not make them fake. It makes them a different product. But if your curry recipe asks for a can of full-fat coconut milk and you pour in a carton beverage, prepare yourself for some very sad curry. Instead of thick and creamy, you may end up with something thin and watery. Consumer verdict? Fine if you want a light coconut beverage, not a direct substitute for canned culinary coconut milk. Remember this rule: carton and can are not interchangeable. Number 5, great value coconut milk beverage. Here we go again. The great value coconut beverage is another product that can look like a bargain, and compared with canned coconut milk, it can also look dramatically lighter in calories. You might see something around 40 or 50 calories per cup and think, wow, I found healthier coconut milk. But hold on, you may simply be looking at a completely different product. These beverages are mostly water with a smaller amount of coconut cream, plus ingredients added for texture and nutrition. Want something light for cereal? Perfect. Trying to make Thai green curry? Probably not. The lesson is simple. Never compare calories between two foods until you confirm they are actually the same type of food. Consumer verdict? Useful as a dairy-free drink. Not what I choose when a recipe needs rich coconut milk. Number 6, Iberia coconut milk. Now the ingredient list starts getting noticeably busier. Depending on the formulation, Iberia coconut milk may include coconut extract, water, gums, emulsifiers, and a sulfite preservative. So why do manufacturers use all of that? Coconut milk naturally separates. Its fat rises. Its water settles. Manufacturers often want the product to look smooth and uniform every single time a customer opens the can. But if I have a 6-ingredient coconut milk beside a 2-ingredient coconut milk that performs just as well, I'm probably buying the 2-ingredient can, especially in recipes where coconut flavor is supposed to be the star. Consumer verdict? It may work perfectly well, but shoppers looking for minimal ingredients have cleaner options. Number 7, Grace coconut milk. Now this one may hit close to home for Caribbean households. Grace is everywhere. Rice and peas, curries, soups, desserts. Chances are someone in your family has used it for years, but familiarity doesn't mean you shouldn't check the label. Some Grace coconut milk formulations have included stabilizers, emulsifiers, gums, or sulfiting agents in addition to coconut and water. Does that mean Grandma's curry was secretly dangerous? No. Please leave Grandma alone. If your goal is coconut milk with the simplest possible formulation, compare the Grace label in your store with the other cans sitting beside it. That's important. Don't blindly memorize that one brand is always good and another brand is always bad. Read the actual package you're holding. Consumer verdict? A familiar product that works for countless recipes, but ingredient-conscious shoppers may prefer a simpler formulation. Number 8, Dynasty coconut milk. And for our last product in this section, we're doing something slightly different. Rather than telling you Dynasty is automatically good or bad, I want you to use the same system on the can yourself, because this is the skill that actually matters. Turn it around. First, check the ingredient list. How many ingredients? Is it mostly coconut and water? Are there gums? Are there emulsifiers? Is there a sulfite preservative? Then check the nutrition panel. How much fat are you getting? Because when you're using coconut milk for cooking, fat matters. And then check whether the product says light. So if you're buying light coconut milk purely to save calories, remember something. You can also buy full-fat coconut milk and dilute it yourself depending on the recipe. Consumer verdict? Don't buy coconut milk based on the front of the package. Buy it based on what's actually inside. Now for the good part. What should you actually look for? Number 9, Trader Joe's organic coconut milk. This is the kind of ingredient list simple label shoppers love. Certain Trader Joe's coconut milk formulations have contained just organic coconut and water. That's it. No need for a paragraph on the ingredient panel, and this is what I want you to notice. Simple coconut milk may separate. The cream can rise. The liquid can settle. That is not automatically a defect. Shake the can before opening or stir it together. Consumer verdict? If the version in your store still has that simple ingredient list, it's exactly the kind of coconut milk I would look for. Number 10, Native Forest Simple Organic Coconut Milk. The key word here is simple, because some brands sell multiple coconut milk formulas. One version may contain guar gum, another may specifically remove gums. Native Forest's Simple line has been marketed around a very short ingredient list, typically organic coconut and water, and that's what we want. But notice what I'm doing. You still check the exact label. That habit alone will make you a much smarter shopper. Consumer verdict? A strong option for people who specifically want coconut milk without added gums. Number 11, Arroy D coconut milk. Arroy D is another name you'll often see recommended by serious home cooks. Some versions are known for keeping the formulation very simple while still delivering a rich texture suitable for curries and soups. A watery product with 2 ingredients isn't necessarily better for curry than a rich product with 3. Context matters. Consumer verdict? Check the package in your market, but simple Arroy D formulations can be an excellent choice for cooking. And number 12? This one isn't actually a brand, it's your shopping formula. Because this is more useful than memorizing 12 names. Here is the 10-second coconut milk test. Step 1. Look at the first 2 ingredients. Ideally, you want coconut and water near the top. Step 2. Count everything else. Gums and emulsifiers are not automatically dangerous, but if you prefer simpler foods, fewer ingredients makes comparison easy. Step 3. Look for sulfite preservatives if you're sensitive to them or prefer to avoid them. Step 4. Check the fat. For curries, soups, and desserts, higher fat coconut milk usually delivers a richer result. Step 5. Look at the package. Can, carton, full fat, light, beverage. Those words completely change what you're buying, and that's the real secret. The biggest coconut milk mistake isn't buying one specific brand. It's assuming every product with coconut milk written on the front is basically the same thing. It isn't. One can be rich enough for curry, another may be designed for cereal. One may contain just coconut and water, another may contain stabilizers and preservatives. Neither package is going to explain all of that in giant letters on the front. You have to turn it around. Give the label 10 seconds, because 10 seconds can tell you more than the entire front of the package. And now I want to know something. Go check the coconut milk in your pantry. What's actually in it? Coconut and water? Or did you find something you weren't expecting? Tell me the brand and ingredient list in the comments. And if you thought coconut milk was confusing, wait until you see what we found in some of the other foods sitting in your kitchen right now. Subscribe to the Food Exposé, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.